So Infinix reached out and asked if I could come take a look at the new Inbook X1. So of course I said yeah. So here's my unboxing and first impressions of the Inbook X1. So in the box, we have the usual suspects. First, the laptop, which I'm going to put to the side. Then we have the manual, which is a sort of booklet. It's quite beefy. Then next, we have the charging cable, which is a Type-C to Type-C cable, and it's in black. We're going to put that to the side as well. And then lastly, we have the 65-watt power adapter or charging brick. And I must say, it's pretty heavy. And yeah, everything in the box is actually presented very nicely, from the box to how its content is arranged in the box. I really do like it. Now I want to say though that I only spent about an hour with this laptop, so I didn't get to test so many things. So this isn't a review, but just a look at the laptop as well as its specs. Now the main highlight of this laptop is how light and powerful it is. That's literally what's on their website. And I can testify to this, it's pretty lightweight. I could lift this bad boy up with just 3 fingers. It weighs about 1.48 kg, which is equivalent to about 10 medium-sized apples or 10 chicken legs. Yeah, I think I'm kind of hungry. And it's also pretty thin at 16.3 millimeters, which is basically 2020 MacBook thickness. That is to say, it is pretty thin. But it doesn't just weigh a little, it also looks great with its full metal body. According to their website, it's a sandblasted anodized body made from premium aircraft level aluminium. Don't look at me, I don't know what that means. Basically, what they're trying to say is it's made of aluminium and it looks very good. It's that type of laptop that you would just pull out of your bag with confidence and use in any environment. It looks good. It has this dual tone finish at the back, with half of it basically matte while the other some kind of glossy material. It comes in 4 different colors. We have red, green, grey, and black. And clearly this is the grey version. When you open it up, there are 3 things to talk about. One is the screen, we have the keyboard, and the mouse pad. The screen has very little bezels at the top, a bit more chin at the bottom. It's a 14-inch 1080p display, and it looks very good. And as far as the keyboard, it's black, and the keys are backlit, which is lovely for night time, and they feel very nice, very clicky, enough space in between the keys so you'd enjoy typing on this laptop. The mouse pad or trackpad is also pretty large, and it supports multi-touch functionality, and was pretty responsive the few times I used it when I was playing with it. And to wrap up hardware, we have a 720p webcam, which could be okay for the occasional Zoom call, especially because you get 2 mics at either side of the webcam. You also get every port you would want. Again, that's what their website says. We have the HDMI port, 2 USB-C ports, 2 USB 2.0 and 1 USB 3.0 port, headphone jack, a micro SD card slot, and a couple other ports. It also has 3 speakers, 1 at the bottom of either side of the laptop and 1 just above the keyboard. I think that's everything for its hardware. Now let's talk about performance. Now again, I did not test anything really. I would have loved to edit a video on it, but again, I only spent a couple minutes with it. But this particular laptop comes with a 10th gen Core i3 processor and 8GB of RAM with 256GB of SSD storage. We also have the X1 Pro, which comes with a 10th gen Core i7 processor with 16GB of RAM and half a terabyte of storage. Battery also seems to be pretty good, with Infinix claiming 13 hours of battery life with just web browsing. But they also say, don't quote us on that because, use case differ. Now it starts at $266,750 for this Core i3 version, $366K for the Core i5 version, and $464,500 for the Core i7 version. And with Black Friday coming up, you can expect discounted prices, and that might just be the best time to pick one of these up. Now, would I recommend this? Well, I can actually kind of recommend the Core i3 version, to people who want a good looking laptop, who want a good display, to watch movies, who want a good keyboard for note taking, Microsoft Word, or school stuff. I would say, yes, this Core i3 version would definitely suffice. I would love to review the higher spec ones first before recommending it to, professionals. But yeah, I think that's about it. These are my first impressions on the Inbook X1. I want to know what you think about this laptop and Infinix joining the laptop game. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you when you see me.